Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to add your Keeping Current Matters blog posts to your KW website powered by Placester. This will be replacing the built-in blog system within Placester. The system will still be there, but we're just going to remove the page and the posts that are already there and instead put in this new page with your Keeping Current Matters blog posts. There are two ways to add the blog posts to your site. One way shows the images for the blog posts and one way does not show the images. We're going to do it the way that does show the images. So our first step is to get logged into our mykw.kw.com homepage. Once we're logged in, up in the top black menu, we'll hover over Technology, then click on KW Websites, this third one down, and then we'll click on the Go to My Website button here. Once we're in the Placester interface, over on the left under Quick Actions, we'll click on Edit Site, and we're going to go to the Pages section. Now, I've already removed the blog page that was here, but the pre-existing blog page that should be in this list, you're going to want to go on the right and click on Remove, and then confirm with the Delete button when it pops up asking you if you're sure you want to delete it. You also want to do that for each of the pre-made blog posts that were added by default to your site. You'll click on the Remove link over on the right and confirm that you do want to delete them. Then we'll come back over to the Pages section and click the plus sign to create a new page. And under our template, we're not going to create a new blog post index. That's the one we just deleted. Instead, we want to create a default page template. This will allow us to put in our own custom code. For the title, we're going to name this blog because it is replacing that previous blog page that was there. And then we'll open up our View HTML box with this left caret, right slash, and then right caret. And in this box is where we're going to paste in some code that we'll get partially from our Keeping Current Matters. Next, in a new tab, we'll log into our Keeping Current Matters account. And on this dashboard page here, we're going to click on the Step 2 section, the Connect to Website. And then on this page, we'll scroll down just a little bit, and it's going to give you your personalized posts homepage link. We do want to copy this, so we'll click on this over on the right side. Copy to clipboard, it lets us know right there. And now we need to go to Google. And we're going to search for iframe generator. So that's I as in iPad, frame, F as in Frank, R-A, M as in Mike, E, generator. And I'm just going to click this first option here, iframe-generator.com. And we're going to paste in that link that we just copied from Keeping Current Matters in this box that says iframe URL. Then we'll click on Generate over on the right. And this code here, it's going to be highlighted automatically. Then we'll right click and copy that. Then we're going to return to our Placester interface here. In the View HTML box, we'll right click and paste that code that we just got from the iframe generator. And we want to get these two options right here, these two values for the height and the width. We're going to update these. We want the height to be about 1,000 pixels. You can make that bigger or smaller if you want to, but 1,000 pixels is a good place to start. And then for the width, instead of a pixel measurement, we want to change this to 100%. We want it to be the full width of the page that it's in. And keep in mind, you don't want to do anything with these quotation marks. Make sure the quotes are still there before and after each of these values. Once you've got those updated, we'll click on Update here. And then we'll scroll to the bottom and leave this box checked for Add this page to my menu. We do want it on the menu. And then you can add your meta title and meta description if you like. If you need if you need to know how to write a meta title or a meta description, we have a search engine optimization class that teaches you just how to do that. Just send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com to request that. Then at the very bottom right, we'll click on Save here to add that page to the site. It'll pop up and let me know this page was added to the menu. We don't need to go edit the menu. Instead, we'll just close it. And up near the top right, we'll click on View Live Site to go look at the page on the site. Once the site loads, we'll have this blog menu item here in the menu, and this has replaced the previous one that was there. When we click on that, that'll take us to the page here with our Keeping Current Matters posts. And they can scroll within the Keeping Current Matters box here. We couldn't make this the full length of the page here because it just goes and goes and goes and goes. And we don't want this to be like 3,000 pixels long. So they can scroll inside this box here if they want to. That's how you can add your Keeping Current Matters blog posts to your KW website, replacing the previous blog section. If you have additional questions about that, feel free to send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.